Hello guys. I was in a pretty good mood today, so I thought I'll make this short selfie video for you. Today I want to discuss that how our thinking is saved. Today I was having a conversation with my junior, and I was just discussing some of my plans with him, some of my future plans that I am planning to do this in my future. I'm planning to go here, I'm planning to join here. Then suddenly he started saying that, "Ma'am, I will also do this. I'll also do the same." So a thought clicked to my mind that how our thinking gets influenced. Actually, we have three sensory modality. That is what we see, what we hear, what we read. This is what influences our thinking. So isn't it that we should control all this sensory modality, or at least that we should try to control all these sensory modalities so that we can have a growth mindset? Yes, we should do that. We wake up in the morning and we start with the newspaper, we start with the Facebook feeds, and we do not really control what is coming inside our mind. That is, we get into our minds a lot of, garbage. We put into inside our mind a lot of garbage. Should we really try to filter it out? I think yes. So we can reshape our thinking by trying to control what we are reading from morning to night. So we should try to control that. Like, limit your mobile time. Try to read some good books every day. Try to come in contact with some good people that are having good mindset. Search friends that are constantly striving for success. Try to be in constant contact with them. Search for seniors who are constantly doing growth in their life. Try to be in touch with them. Ask tips from them. And in you always have an access to Google. In Google, try to search how to do growth in all areas of life. And please keep a diary where make 4 5 columns and try to jot down how you will make growth in all areas of my all areas of life. Make a circle and make your plans, weekly plans, monthly plans. Yes, they sound very vague, but yes, they do work. Some people do 5 year plans, and after 5 years they see whether they have done that much of growth or not. Yes, that does work wonders. Those plan boards, those diaries, they sound very fancy, but they do work wonders. A planned approach, a strategic approach to life, and just sailing through the boat, yes, that does make difference. I would recommend all of you a book known as Eat That Frog. My brother recommended me that book 2 3 years ago while I was preparing for my exam. I was preparing for my second NEET exam. I had completed my DPM and I was preparing for my MD exam. I just came in contact with that book by Brian Tracy. It was such a wonderful book. After I read that book, I had some targets for that year. I had in a diary I just wrote down that this year I want to buy a car and I want to learn driving this year. This year I had some targets in personal area. I had some targets in economic area. I had some targets in my that I'll crack TM this year. I'll do this. I'll do this. And believe me, 90% of the targets I really achieved. So it works wonder when you plan it properly. And it was advised in that book you should plan weekly, you should plan yearly. So there are different approaches in that book. I just followed 2 to 3 plans, and it was advised in that book to eat the hardest, the difficult frog of the week. Suppose you have 4 5 plans of the week. So the difficult plan, we have a tendency to do the easy task first, but in that book it was advised to do the difficult task first. So that I just changed my that approach after reading that book. I started to do the difficult task first after reading that book. So it really changed my approach, and after that my work scheme changed, and the speed of my doing work really changed. So that is how reading a book changed my approach. So I would just want to advise, read good books, limit your mobile time, so that you can, your if your input is changed, your thinking time will change, your thinking pattern will change. If your way of thinking is changed, everything will change. The way your perspective towards life will change, and you will have a growth mindset, and you will success like anything. Thank you all.